A tornado touched down in the Ottawa area during a severe thunderstorm on Thursday. Environment Canada confirmed it happened at around 7 p.m. near Metcalfe, just southeast of the nation's capital. Time-lapse video shows the incredible storm moving into the region, bringing hail and heavy rain. The Ottawa Fire Service says part of a home's roof was ripped off, but the building's structural integrity was not compromised. This comes after roughly 125 homes were damaged by a tornado in nearby Barrhaven, July 13th.